Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Gaming Basics. In this video, I'm going to show you how to play the Bingo Blitz game with your friends. So let's get started right away. Now first of all, open up the Bingo Blitz game on your device, and once you open it up, if you have already played the game before, you will gain access to the map menu directly. Otherwise, you will need to complete the tutorial level. Now from the map menu, click on the menu icon at the top right corner and you will find various options. Scroll down and tap on Friends Center. Now you will be taken into the Friends Center page. Now skip through the intro, and now from the home page of the Friends Center, you will find the Play with Friends option. Go ahead and tap on this, and you might be asked to log into your Facebook account first. If you haven't already logged your account in, just tap on the Continue As button and your Facebook account will be connected. And now you can tap on the merge option to connect your account with your Facebook account, and you will be able to see your friends list and the friends among them that are playing the Bingo Blitz game. After connecting, if you go back to the Friends Center page, you can now tap on the Add and Invite button and add your friends by simply adding their ID, and then you can play with your friends that are shown within the Friends Center page. And there you have it. That is how you can play the Bingo Blitz game with your friends. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching, and I will see you again in the next video.